Good morning. Hi, Standard 4. How are you? Okay, for your artwork today, we are going to use perspective technique for your artwork. We might be using some color blending as well if you want to later. And also, we will be using some colors that are contrastive to each other. Okay, so let's try to make the color contrast and also the background amazing. And as for the object at the background later, we are going to use only dark color crayon like black crayon. Okay, that is to make sure that um, we can produce a silhouette or a shadow for the background later on. Okay, so let's prepare your crayon first. I think it's much better if you use crayon. I think so. For this landscape and perspective technique, I'm going to draw a view at a flower field. Yeah, so I'm going to use orange for some of the flower, and I think purple, maybe light orange, or um, let me see, can be light orange or dark orange. Okay, as well as green. Okay, we are going to use green to divide the color later. Okay, and then after that, black crayon for the silhouette, and yellow, you might want to use yellow or peach or light pink for the background, the sky, and blue as well as white. Okay, so the blue later, it's up to you, want to use dark blue or light blue. Alright, so I'm going to teach you first how you can come up with a landscape and a perspective drawing. Okay, okay, use a paper in a landscape layout, and then you can use your ruler if you want to, but if you are confident with drawing with a ruler, then you can just draw straight away. Okay, now can you draw a line like all the way up here? Draw a line like this. Okay, and then find the center of the line. Let's say this is the center of the line. Okay, and then you can draw. Like this. So this should be the field later, the field of tulips, fields of flowers. Okay, right, and some more lines going here. Okay, some more lines. Okay, there you go. Now over here would be your silhouette. If you want to draw it first by using the marker, you can do that. Okay, so let's imagine that we are in Holland. Okay, if Holland, they are more famous with their tulip fields, and also in Netherlands, and we can draw maybe you can draw a tower over here, right? You can draw a tower, and then next to the tower, maybe, or behind the tower, you can draw the wind. Okay, the another one will be at the other side like this, and then you might want to draw some more like bushes. Okay, and some trees maybe like this. Okay, you want to draw another house, that should be fine as well. Okay, then maybe another tree. There you go. Okay, now we are going to start with our coloring. So as I mentioned to you just now, I'm going to use green to divide the field. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I will just drag the green color all the way until the starting point just now, like this. Okay, if you want to make it look like there are some grasses over there, then you can just draw it upward. Oh, okay, like this. All right. Okay, so let's start with the color of the tulips. You can just color it with the color of your choice. For example, if orange, then you just can color it orange, and then later on we can add some textures to it. Okay, I will show you after this. Let's say I'm coloring this as a fill of orange tulips. Okay, then after that later we can put some textures on it. There you go. So this is the orange tulip field, and you can use different colors over here to create some textures on it. Just lightly damp, or lightly create some textures on it. Okay, and you can mix the color with different colors as well. Let me try with red. Okay, there you go. Then you will go to the next field and fill it with different colors. Okay, standard 4, there you go. That was easy, right? Right? So, and if you think that you want to add some shadow to your artwork, then you can do that as well. We have learned about shadow last time, and you can use the tip of your finger and do some light rubbing at the bottom of the building or the objects over here. Okay, just imitate the size or the shape of the objects so that it will look like some shadows. Okay, just imagine that the sun is there's sunset, and then all you can see are silhouette and also shadows. Okay, shadows of the tree. Yeah. Yeah, it's okay if your finger is dirty. You can clean it later. Right. Okay, there you go. Try your best and be creative, alright?